Hi everybody, this is Abby with Design Point. This video is going to be going over how you can efficiently use bill of materials within your SOLIDWORKS drawings. So here's the model that we're going to be working on. I've already created a drawing for this, so you can see I've already inserted an isometric view of it as well. I'm ready to go ahead and get started with my bill of materials. All I have to do is select the view, and SOLIDWORKS will do the rest for me. I don't have to worry about manually going in and typing in all of this information. So now let's say I have to add some more information to this BOM. I just have to insert another column and specify what I want to show. I'm going to choose material. So now the question becomes, how does SOLIDWORKS know how to automatically populate this information within the BOM? It's all about custom properties. So let's say, for example, I need to update this material for item number 1. Notice when I highlight the row of item number 1, it also highlights that item within the drawing view. So I'm going to go ahead and open up that part from in here and take a look at its custom properties. If I take a look at the material, you can see it's listed as plain carbon steel. I head over to my design tree and I can see that the material that was assigned is also plain carbon steel. If I update it over here and I jump back into my custom properties, you can see it also updates it here. So these are linked, and the custom properties are also linked to the BOM within the drawing. So that's why when we come back into here, you can see that the BOM updates the material just like we did in the part. So you don't have to worry about having to go back into your BOM yourself and update these changes. SOLIDWORKS does it for you automatically. So just a helpful tip, you can update the format of your BOM. So I'm going to change the font size and a column width. And from here, I can come in and save this as a template so that next time that I insert a BOM, I don't have to worry about adjusting the format again. It's saved just the way I like it, and I can insert it just the way it is. Lastly, we can export this as an Excel sheet. I've already got one saved over here. So you can see it automatically creates that for me in no time. It's very easy. So I hope this video gives you the tools that you need to make the best use out of your SOLIDWORKS BOMs. Thank you.